If you're experiencing connection errors in Fortnite, particularly error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming device or PC completely and then turn it back on. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update Fortnite. Make sure you have the latest version of Fortnite installed. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If the issue persists, try adjusting your network settings. This can include switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection, changing your DNS settings, or enabling UPnP on your router. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and get back to playing Fortnite. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.